Hey there everyone, Will here. Today I'm diving into the exciting world of stock trading, specifically for beginners. So if you're new to the stock market or just looking to brush up on the basics, stick around. Let's get you started on the path to financial success. Section 1, Understanding Stocks. First things first, what are stocks? When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of a company. This means you own a part of that company, and your fortunes rise and fall with it. Pretty cool, right? Section 2, Choosing a brokerage. Next up, you need a place to buy and sell those stocks. That's where a brokerage comes in. Some popular options are Robinhood, E-Trade, and TD Ameritrade. Each has its pros and cons, so do a bit of research to find the one that fits you best. Section 3, Research and Strategy. Now let's talk about research. Always do your homework before investing in a stock. Look at the company's financial health, news, and market trends. A good strategy for beginners is to start with companies you know and trust. Section 4, Diversification. One of the most important principles of investing is diversification. Don't put all your money into a single stock. Spread your investments across different sectors and types of assets to reduce risk. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Section 5, Understanding Risk Tolerance. Understanding your risk tolerance is key. Are you comfortable with high-risk, high-reward investments, or do you prefer safer, more stable options? Knowing this will help you make investment choices that align with your comfort level. Section 6, Long-term versus short-term investing. Decide whether you're a long-term investor or a short-term trader. Long-term investing typically involves holding stocks for several years to ride out market fluctuations. Short-term trading, on the other hand, aims to capitalize on short-term market movements. Section 7, Technical and Fundamental Analysis. Learn the basics of technical and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis involves looking at past market data, like price and volume, to predict future movements. Fundamental analysis, on the other hand, involves evaluating a company's financial statements and health. Section 8, Staying Informed. Stay informed about the market and the companies you're invested in. Subscribe to financial news outlets, follow market analysts on social media, and join investment communities. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Section 9, Managing Emotions. This one is very important. Make sure you manage your emotions, as this is crucial in stock trading. The market can be volatile, and it's easy to get caught up in the excitement or panic. Stick to your strategy and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market movements. Section 10, Continuous Learning. Finally, never stop learning. The stock market is constantly evolving, and staying educated is essential. Read books, take online courses, and watch videos like this one to keep improving your knowledge and skills. Conclusion. And that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to stock trading. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. Happy trading, everyone.